Oh my gosh, guys. I know I haven't talked for like a minute and I did just born for like a minute, but look at this. When did I do my intro? Turbo-tastic, guys. It's Turbo, and today, look how big this is. Like, there's just a giant, parrot party lineup. Lol. Join everybody. Yes, lol. Everybody, join. Okay, a lot of people are honestly joining. Like, as you could tell, it started like with 4. And now, look at that. It's like over 10 people. Hey, no one gets sad. Yay, he's happy now. Come on, everyone, join the parrot party group. Oh, yeah. Everyone's so happy here. Yay. Oh my gosh, this is giant. This is gonna get so much views. This is gonna get so famous. Bay? Oh, maybe he's leaving. No, don't leave. Bay. Oh my gosh, this thing's so giant. I bought the parrot party. Parrot party. Oh my gosh. Lol, the whole server is here. Stop swearing, kid. Who's swearing? Don't swear. Oh my gosh. I don't like parrot party. Who doesn't like parrot party? Everyone. Join the parrot party. Oh my gosh! No way! Oh my gosh! Look at this! Oh my gosh! Mega server is trash. Wait, what do you mean? Why is everyone dancing? Because this is because they just decided to do a dance and we all joined. Let's do mega servers. Where's everyone going? Don't go. Oh my gosh. This is absolutely insane. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Parrot party! I'm recording. Me too. I'm just gonna say, no, I'm wreck. I'm wreck. This will go on YouTube. I'm just saying that to myself. This will go on YouTube. This will go on, oh my gosh, YouTube. Oh my gosh. YouTube. Oh my gosh. Tube. YouTube. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wait till this gets on YouTube. Why is this person just keep saying the same thing? Woo! No way! Parrot party! Alright, I may make another video on this. I just want to make sure that at least one of my videos goes on YouTube. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Turbo-tastic!